How to get HBO Max on an LG Smart TV. HBO Max is now available on your LG Smart TV through the LG Content Store. The LG Content Store is your portal to limitless premium content and apps. If your LG Smart TV with WebOS 4.0 or above is connected to the internet, accessing the Content Store is easy. Just press the Home button on your Magic Remote and then select the Apps icon under the Apps List heading. The Content Store offers a huge selection of TV shows and movies, and an amazing assortment of entertainment apps and games. If you don't see HBO Max listed in the available premium apps, you can easily search for it. Click on the search icon at the top right of the screen. Then enter HBO Max and click Search. When you see the HBO Max app in the search results, click on it, then select Install. Once installed, press the Launch button to start HBO Max. Enter your login details and enjoy HBO Max on your LG Smart TV. The HBO Max tab app will appear in the Home launcher for future access. HBO Max is a premium app and requires a monthly subscription fee. When installing it, be sure to accept the user agreements. Some features may not work if these agreements have not been accepted. Go to TV Settings, then All Settings, then Support, then Privacy and Terms, and then User Agreements. While in the settings, let's also verify the location setting. Streaming content is viewable based on licenses contracted between owners and providers. If your TV location settings are incorrect, some content may not be available. Go to TV Settings, then All Settings, then General, then System, then Location, and then enter your service area zip code. Your location will update automatically. Lastly, should you ever wish to uninstall HBO Max, that's easy too. On the TV menu, press and hold the Apps tab on the launcher. An Edit Mode window will appear. Then click the trash bin icon above the app and click Yes to remove it. That's it. The LG Content Store is open 24/7 for your enjoyment and now offers HBO Max. Learn more at lg.com/us/support/HBO Max LG TV. How to set up.